How do I learn digital marketing? Ruchika Ravi says, there are essentially two ways of learning digital marketing. Self-learning or paid learning. Self-learning can be done by reading blogs, watching videos on YouTube, taking up free Google's, Hootsuite, Hubspot, ETC's digital marketing courses and all those free resources available online. Paid learning can be done online as well as offline according to the guidelines of your locality. Since this profession demands tech savvy, it's better to start online to get more practice learning digitally. But you need to have a mentor or professional trainer to teach you digital marketing, or most people get lost on where to begin. To start a career in digital marketing currently in 2022 is a superb plan. With the necessity of the hour, this has become the need. But, to ace within the digital marketing profession, you should start by learning digital marketing from an associate degree institute that teaches you basics to advanced prospects of DM. One such institute that provides all that you simply ought to begin digital marketing as a career is Digital Vidya. The course is incredibly elaborate and reasonable. It includes assignments and case studies that assist you perceive the idea higher beside active coaching on tools. After you complete the Certified Digital Marketing Master's Program (CDMM) from Digital Vidya, they provide you 15 certificates together with Google, HubSpot, and Hootsuite. This helps you discover employment beneath the umbrella of digital marketing. It's a 6-month course wherein you learn basic to advanced concepts of DM such as SEO, SEM, web analytics, inbound marketing, email marketing, building blog, etc. Also, you have lifetime access to an LMS account where you can review notes, ask queries, watch recordings, etc. Also, they assist you with placements and internships which can help you gain expertise and learn a lot concerning this profession. This chance offers you a good kickstart to your career in digital marketing operating with digital consultants. To understand this profession deeply beside its technicalities, one should pick an honest course. When understanding the idea from the bottom level, you've got endless opportunities expecting you during this field. First and foremost, enroll in a program that will assist you in learning and growing as a digital marketer. Make your foundation stronger and establish your own network, as this is the most crucial thing you can do as a newbie. Hope this was helpful. Ciao. Mahini Das says, starting from YouTube to institutes, there is an array of options that you can choose from. However, my personal experience says that you should only go for any of the options if digital marketing really excites you and it is not just another way of making money. To develop your interest, you can start watching some good YouTube channels, and once the basics are clear, you can opt for any short-term online courses. I am currently pursuing a digital marketing course from at Board Infinity Company, and it is one of the best options if you want to learn all the advanced concepts of digital marketing as well. Devanil Patel says, there is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, as the best way to learn digital marketing will vary depending on your specific needs and goals. However, there are some general tips that can help you get started. 1. Start with the basics. If you're new to digital marketing, it's important to start with the basics. There are plenty of free online resources that can introduce you to the basics of SEO, social media, and other digital marketing concepts. Once you have a good understanding of the basics, you can move on to more advanced topics. 2. Find a mentor. One of the best ways to learn digital marketing is to find someone who can mentor you. There are plenty of experienced digital marketers who are willing to share their knowledge with others. You can find mentors through online forums, professional organizations, or even social media groups. 3. Take an online course. If you want to learn at your own pace, there are plenty of online courses available that can teach you digital marketing concepts and skills. Many of these courses are offered by well-known providers such as HubSpot or Google. 4. Get a certification. If you want to make sure you're learning from reputable sources, you can get certified in digital marketing from an accredited institution. This can give you the skills and knowledge you need to start a successful career in digital marketing. 5. Read books and blog posts. In addition to taking courses and finding mentors, another great way to learn digital marketing is to read books and blog posts on the topic. There are many great resources available that can help you gain a better understanding of digital marketing concepts and strategies. Thanks for watching our video on How Do I Learn Digital Marketing?